So you are starting a YouTube channel or you are recording yourself and you're not happy with the audio coming from your camera, you are probably on the market for a new microphone. In today's video, I'm going to review two very popular microphones. One is the Hollyland Lark M1 and the other one is the RØDE VideoMicro. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the review. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. As I said in the intro, today's video will be a review of two very popular and entry-level microphones. One is the Hollyland Lark M1 and the other one is the RØDE VideoMicro. I own both of the microphones, I bought them with my own money and I've been using them for the past month. Today's review is not gonna be technical, it's not gonna be a statistics and graphs kind of review. It's gonna be my personal take on the two microphones. I'm gonna give you my personal opinion on which one I prefer and which one is best in specific situations, and hopefully at the end of the video you will be able to decide which one is the best for you. I want this review to be very quick and simple, so I'm planning to do just a couple of audio tests with both microphones. I'm gonna read a piece of text from a book I have on my desk and I will test the noise cancelling feature of the Hollyland Lark M1. I will give you some details on the main characteristics on the microphone and we will jump then straight to the conclusion. Starting with the RØDE VideoMicro, the audio you have been listening so far comes from this microphone. The microphone is placed just in front of me, approximately 20-25 cm from my mouth. As you can hear, the sound is very clear and focused. This microphone is a directional microphone, which basically means it picks up the sound from the front of the mic and rejects the sound coming from the side and from the back. And based on this, the RØDE VideoMicro is perfect for a studio environment where you are recording in front of the camera and you can have the microphone right in front of you. The microphone itself is very light and small and it is powered directly by the camera, so you don't need any batteries to run this microphone. It comes with a shock mount to reduce handling noise and vibration, and also it comes with a windshield to remove the noise of the wind when you are recording outside. Now for a quick audio test, I'm gonna read a passage from the book I have here on my desk. The book is actually about photography, so now I'm gonna read a piece of text that explains aperture and depth of field. So, aperture is just like your eye. When it's dark, your pupil gets wider, allowing in more light. When it's brighter, your pupil gets narrower, allowing in less light. A low f number equates to a wide aperture. A high f number equates to a narrow aperture. As you can hear, the audio is very crisp and it has a very nice clean tone. The biggest con of this mic is that it's connected to the camera via cable, which means that you are pretty restricted if you want to move around while recording. Okay, so now let's jump on the audio test with the Hollyland Lark M1. Alright, so I switched to the Hollyland Lark M1 and I'm gonna place it in the same location of the RØDE video mic. And I'm gonna read the same passage. Aperture is just like your eye. When it's dark, your pupil gets wider, allowing in more light. When it's brighter, your pupil gets narrower, allowing in less light. A low f number equates to a wide aperture. A high f number equates to a narrow aperture. So this one was the audio from the Hollyland Lark M1. So I placed the microphone right in front of me in the same location of the RØDE VideoMicro, only because I wanted the audio test to be kind of similar for both of them. However, you are gonna place this transmitter on your t-shirt, so I'm gonna place it now on my t-shirt and I will continue the video on the Hollyland Lark M1 so you can hear a bit how it sounds. So the Hollyland Lark M1 is a wireless lavalier system. The transmitter, as you see, is clipped on your t-shirt, and the receiver is usually placed on the camera and is connected to the camera via 3.5 jack. The biggest feature of this microphone, as you can see, is that it's wireless, so you are not restricted in moving around. At the same time, it's not as directional as the RØDE VideoMicro, so it picks up audio from the top, from the side and from the back. It also has a noise cancelling feature, which I'm gonna test later on. This microphone is not powered by the camera. Both the transmitter and the receiver needs to be charged via standard USB cable. This can be a pro, as the microphone is not consuming battery of your camera. At the same time, this can be a cons, as you don't want to find yourself out there ready to record and realize that your microphone is out of battery. If you want to hear how the Hollyland Lark M1 sounds in a full video, on my YouTube channel I have just one other video and it was recorded only on the Lark M1. So if you go and watch that video, you will have a full understanding of how this microphone sounds. I think that the audio from the M1 is worse than the RØDE VideoMicro. However, I think it's still pretty good, and it's definitely a big improvement from the audio you get from your camera. Instead of going outside, I'm gonna take a fan I have right here. I'm gonna place it very close to me so you can hear the wind from the fan, and then I'm gonna activate the noise cancelling feature, and let's see how this microphone is able to reduce the wind noise. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it on at level 2, and I think now you should be able to hear the noise of the wind pretty well. And I'm going now to switch on the noise cancelling feature, and let's see how this performs. I'm not gonna be able to know if it's working now, but you tell me. Can you hear my voice clearly? Can you hear the noise from the fan? I'm gonna switch off the noise cancelling feature now, and I try to speak a bit more. Can you hear the noise of the fan? I'm gonna turn it on again now. Hopefully it's doing a good job and it's removing the noise of the fan. When I tried it in the past, the noise cancelling feature was actually kind of degrading the audio from the microphone, but you can judge from yourself. Okay, I moved away the fan now, and I'm gonna switch back to the RØDE VideoMicro. Okay, so now I'm back with the RØDE VideoMicro, and we can jump to the conclusion. Okay, so to wrap things up, which microphone do you prefer? I think that the audio coming from the RØDE VideoMicro is better than the Hollyland Lark M1. However, I think you can appreciate the difference in sound only if you compare the two of them in the same video. If you are recording only with the Lark M1, I don't think you will be able to hear much of a difference, or at least for me, as I'm not a professional and probably my ears are not well trained, I cannot really hear a big difference between the two. But definitely when I compare the two microphones, I can hear that the RØDE VideoMicro sounds better. Aperture is just like your eye. When it's dark, your pupil gets wider, allowing in more light. When it's brighter, your pupil gets narrower, allowing in less light. A low f number equates to a wide aperture. A high f number equates to a narrow aperture. So which one to pick? I think both microphones perform pretty well for the price you pay. The RØDE VideoMicro is about £49, while the Hollyland mic solo version with one transmitter and one receiver it's about £30. So I think they provide a very good value. The RØDE VideoMicro is definitely the best if you are in a controlled environment like now, where I'm at my desk and I have the microphone connected directly to the camera and I can speak in front of it. While I think the Hollyland Lark M1 really shines when you have to be outside and you are recording yourself away from the camera. It allows you to move around without any cables, and you can really record yourself from 10, 20, 30 meters from the camera. This is really valuable when you are someone like me that want to show the behind the scene of wildlife photography. So to conclude, both microphones massively improve the audio coming from your camera. I think either you buy the Hollyland Lark M1 or the RØDE VideoMicro is not gonna be a bad choice, especially if you're starting out and you're just trying to improve the audio coming from your camera. Both microphones will be good enough. If, for example, you value a lot the noise cancelling feature of the Hollyland Lark M1, be aware that the RØDE VideoMicro doesn't have this feature, and probably you will need to upgrade to a more expensive microphone from RØDE to get that feature. So I think for the video today, that's all I had to say, and I hope now you know which microphone best suits your needs. If you found the video useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.